Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am going to do another makeup tutorial. As you could see by the title, I have no clue what I'm naming this. And we are going to a birthday dinner tonight, and I just wanted to go. Obviously this is going to be a voiceover because it's just too loud in my house, and this is kind of how it's gonna have to go from now on unless I get some quiet time. But from now on, I think I'm gonna have to do voiceovers, believe it or not. Some people might like that, like, bitch, shut up and just do your makeup. Yeah, I'm gonna just go ahead and jump right into the video. Everything that I'm going to be applying, I will list down in the description box. And again, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for being here and tuning in and supporting. I really appreciate it. It's pretty awesome. So I'm gonna go ahead and jump right into the video, and I hope you like. Alright guys, so the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna put this hair back because I don't like it in my face. First, we're going to start off with some facial wipes. I got these at Costco. I really like them. They got that muscular water. I don't know how to say it, but I really like them. They are refreshing, and I just take off like any excess makeup if I have any on. I go in with my moisturizer, and I'm just using like a Pond's from the store. It's kind of always been my go-to. I just really like it. This one's for dry skin, I believe. Or it could be the original, but I'll have everything linked down below. Yeah, so this is the Sunday Riley, I believe, eye cream, and I'm just gonna go in there and hydrate those dark circles. Then I'm gonna go in with my Juice Beauty Illuminating face primer. I really like this, guys. Like, you only need a little bit. My makeup has been going on so nice because of it, and I think they sell this at Ulta, like the brand, but I'm not exactly sure. But I got this in my Ipsy Glam bag, and I really like it. Then I'm gonna go ahead and go in with MAC Strobe Cream. I'm just gonna put this on the highest points of my face. I'm gonna go in with my Morphe Sponge in a minute and really just like pounce it into my skin, but you can never go wrong with the strobe cream, girl. Then this is my combination right now, the Lancome and the Born This Way. I really like this color combination because I'm kind of in between the whole like summer and fall, or not summer, yeah, like summer and winter color right now. So I kind of just like mix the two, and it's been a really nice combination for me. I'm going to take my concealer, and I'm just going to put this on my eyelids to prime, and I'm going to get ready to start my eye makeup. Maybe I should tell you, I mean, if you don't already know, but I'm just using a flat brush. Nothing's really changed on any techniques or anything that I do, so. I'll show y'all in a minute, but I'm going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills in the Modern Renaissance palette, and I believe this is Tempura, and I just used that as a base. Now I'm going to go in with my Carli Bybel palette, and I'm going to take this shade right here, and I'm going with a fluffy brush, and I'm going to just put that in my upper crease, or like in my crease, girl. You know what I'm saying. You see what I'm doing. I'm just doing like little circular motions, and then windshield wiper motions back and forth, And I'll do this until I'll build this color up until I like the way it looks. If you can tell, I messed with the lighting already, like I just wasn't feeling it. So now I'm gonna go in with this darker shade, the color right next to that first shade we did, and I'm gonna put that in my lower crease, and I'm just going to blend that out to my liking. And I want to say I used the same brush. Yeah, I'm using the same brush. Now I'm going to go in with this darker color in the Carli Bybel palette, and I'm just going to put this on the outer V of my eye. And I kind of messed up because I cleaned this brush before I actually dipped into that color, and I didn't fully dry it. So I'll go in with another color in a second, you'll see. But I just kind of used this, I guess, as a base. But I wasn't really liking the whole outcome of it at first. It was just a little, just like too light. So I'm just gonna blend that out, and then I'll go in with a darker shade. But first, I'm going to take that color right there just with my finger, and I'm gonna just press this on to the bottom portion of my lid. And at first I was like, oh shit, what did I just do? But it gets better, girl. Just dust off any fallout. I had just a little bit. Now I'm going to go in with my Subculture from ABH, and I took that color, that deep color purple, I believe the name was Rowdy, and I just put that in the outer V. And I was like, yes, bitch. Now I'm going to take my Huda Beauty palette, and I am going to go in with Celestial, which is that color right there. And I'm going to pop that on, like kind of where the dark purple meets and that first lid color did. I just put it right down the center. Now I'm going to go in with this really nice purple shade from the Huda Beauty palette, and I took a lip brush, and I'm just going to create some type of a depth on the top, and just to kind of make it all go together, if that makes sense. I did my hair off camera just because, for the sake of time, but if y'all want me to show you guys, just let me know and I'll show y'all how I did my hair. I'm going to go in with my Born This Way concealer, and this has been my go-to concealer for a while now. And I'm just going to go ahead and place it where I'm going to be covering, highlighting, contouring, not contouring, but just highlighting, you get it. I'm going to take my Hoola bronzer contour stick. It's not my fave, but it'll do the job. And I'm just going to go ahead and contour my forehead, my cheeks, and I'm going to contour my nose. And I first start off with just using my Morphe Sponge and just getting it in there and blending it out. Here's a tip. here is a tip for my more mature gals. When you have under eye creases, instead of just pouncing the concealer into your skin, you want to kind of almost go against it, so it will get into those creases a lot better. And I'm using the same sponge to blend out my contour as well. And what I do is I put a little bit of that Hoola bronzer color on the sponge, so that way when I'm going in there and blending it out, it all kind of just doesn't move anything around. Taking my Peach Perfect powder, and I'm setting my under eyes and anywhere that I highlighted. Going in with my Hoola bronzer and just going over everywhere where I contoured, and I'm just going to bronze up the face. I am taking my Tarte blush. I don't know the name of it off the top of my head, but I'll have it listed down below. And I'm just going to go ahead and spice up those cheeks, girl. Going back in with the colors we use for our crease. And I'm just going to go ahead and smoke out the lower lash line. And I'm just using, I was using a smaller flat brush, but I wanted to go ahead and use this Anastasia brush that I got with one of the palettes, just because it kind of helps smoke out those colors. And I'm using my ColourPop Swerve, if you don't already know, because it's probably the best eyeliner I've ever used. And then I'll go back and set it with a darker color. Here I'm going to go in with my Becca Opal, and I am going to highlight my cheeks, down my nose, and I was like, you know what, I need some more, so I went back in with my glow kit, or not back in, but I got my glow kit and I went in and picked up a color that I liked. And I was like, oh my god. I'm going to coat my lashes with L'Oreal Paradise Lash Paradise mascara and put on my Lily lashes in Miami. And this I'm using Cork, and I'll go in with my Dose of Colors I Love Sarai collab in my Nude Chica, and then I'll top it off with the Brillo lip gloss, because I love this color combination. There you have it. I hope you guys enjoy. See you guys in my next video.